Hi people, I'm Vijaya. You're watching another episode of the Meraki Explorer. Today I'm heading to Auroville, which is near Pondicherry. So I've been to Pondicherry and Auroville once, but it was just for like a day, and this time I'm going to explore it for at least 3 to 4 days. So Pondicherry is a union territory in Tamil Nadu. However, Auroville is like an extension of it. When mother set up the French colony in Pondicherry, she wanted the community to grow. So because there wasn't land available right in Pondicherry, it was then moved to Auroville. And Auroville was set up is in 1968. So it took about 37 years to build the Maitra Mandir. And I'm going to show you a little bit of Auroville and the places that I like to visit when I'm there. So let's go. So this is where I'm staying. This place is called Auroville Homestay. It also has a kitchen which is fully equipped, and I'm going to show you my room. So I stayed at this place for 400 a night, and if you check it out on booking.com, it's about 600 to 700. So a really nice deal if you want to stay in Auroville and if you want to stay in an eco hut. So let me show you the room. This is the place. It has a fan, a rack to keep your stuff, electricity plug, and a place to chill here. The bathroom is outside although, but I stayed here for like 3 days and it's worth it. So today I'm heading to this farm which is called as Solitude Farm, and this place is where I'm going to eat lunch today. This place is closed on Sundays and it's open from 9 to 3 p.m. So I ordered a thali from Solitude Farm and it is 250 rupees. So there's dal, there is ragi dosai, chutney, mixed farm salad, there's bhindi sabji, and this looks like wild spinach lentil, and a piece of papaya and some more chutney, and it looks amazing. So I've come to this farm with two of my friends. That's Sandy and Jennifer, and we're trying out the thali and the salad. The salad is served with ragi dosai and some chutney. Also, there is a piece of papaya, a little bit of custard apple, and we've taken hibiscus cooler, and we can't wait to just jump in. So let's see how it is. I think the dosa is going to be our favorite. It's nice. Yeah. It's quite earthy and doesn't really feel quite different from the normal one. I'm trying the salad, which is a mix of sprouts, wild spinach, raw papaya. So if you are in Auroville or Pondi, you must make sure that you come to Solitude Farm and visit the place and have a meal here. There are also a lot of tours happening in and around Auroville. Like if you come on Saturday, there is a free farm tour which is from 11:30 to 12:30, 1 hour, and there's you can make your own soap. That workshop happens on Fridays, and so many more. So we're ending the day by eating another fish at a beach nearby, which is an extension of Serenity Beach. This is the breads that they have. So this is what the menu looks like. So apart from the bakery, there's also a cafe, and it really smells good. Unfortunately for me, I've already eaten breakfast. But if you come to Auroville, I think you should definitely eat a meal here at the Auroville Bakery. So this was my travel vlog from Auroville. This is not all that I've shot. I also have some more content, but I didn't want to bore you guys with a longer video. So stay tuned for the next episode of Auroville, and like, comment, share, and please subscribe to the Meraki Explorer.